Hey guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my YouTube channel The AVL Investments and Solutions. Today we are going to discuss about the things that we should avoid while dealing in stock markets. So before starting the video of the day, I would request all my viewers to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification as and when the video is uploaded on the channel. Now let's start the video for the day. First of all, we should not take investing as trading. If you will do this, then it will lead to increase in cost and taxes. If you don't have the knowledge of trading, then choose the option investing only. These are two different paths and have different pros and cons. So, analyze carefully before considering investing as trading. And never invest blindly on the recommendations or tips that you get. If you don't have time to research for any stock, then just go through reviews stated by the different companies. If you are investing yourself, this will not be a very good way for investing, but still you will have confidence that your investment will give you good returns. Otherwise, just follow the stop loss strictly as suggested by your recommendators or advisors. Always keep this thing in mind that you will never be getting profits if you will have unrealistic expectations from any stock or markets. For example, stock X is trading at rupees 500 and you expect that it will reach rupees 800 to 900 within no time. And also there is no reason for this target. So what will happen in this is you will book losses definitely at the end. Undoubtedly, we can have this kind of expectations or targets when there is some good news or activity going on in the company, or can say upcoming corporate actions, etc., due to which the stock will be able to achieve these targets, but still it will take some time. And also, always avoid psychological traps in the markets. We have generally heard that the people are saying, when I buy a stock, it will definitely go down. So the reason for this is that if we see some stock which are moving up, or can say which are getting upper circuits daily, then we will try to buy it without knowing the reason for its growth, and then we buy at the highest price and then it start coming down, and then we sell it at lowest prices, and this way we get trapped and face losses in the markets. So don't follow the herd, and also don't take unnecessary risks in the markets. And if you don't know the reason for any stock movement, then don't buy it. And also never try to time the market. Whenever you will do this, you will see the opposite action in the markets. So if you have invested in any stock or any index, then have the patience too. And the last but not the least is, we should not just pick the stocks randomly or put our whole money into one sector or one stock. Asset allocation or diversification is equally important. So always create a portfolio and diversify it. to get good returns in the stock markets. I hope you all will find this video useful and informative to take your new investments. And if you have any queries, you can text me on Instagram or email me. And yes, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.